How about you? Do you have your pumpkin ready yet? Let's make the jack-o'-lantern. First, take the pumpkin and be careful with the knife. Cut off the top part of the pumpkin. Now, hollow out the inside of the pumpkin. Hollow out some more, where eyes and mouth will be carved. Now, paint eyes, mouth and nose with a marker. Then carve eyes and a frightening mouth with teeth. Clean the marker. Put some tea candles inside. Now, light them up. And you are done. Now, scare away these ghosts. Ha 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 ha!